have been countless missions to Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Mercury, Venus and even Pluto, but not one single probe has been sent out to explore Uranus. Exploring Uranus should be one of our main goals for the upcoming years, and here's why. Uranus is the seventh planet in distance from the Sun. It was discovered back in 1781 by Sir William Herschel, and was actually the first planet to ever be discovered. The planet is mostly composed of water, methane and ammonia fluids. It has an atmosphere made up of hydrogen, helium and methane. The methane is what makes Uranus blue. It is known as an ice giant, as it is made up of ice more than gas. Due to this, it is the second densest planet, and the coldest planet in our solar system. It is also the only planet which has a tilt of 97.7 degrees, which means that it is basically rotating the Sun on its side. Uranus is arguably one of the most mysterious planets out there, with so many strange characteristics. There are many striking facts about Uranus that make it unique and an oddball amongst the other planets. Unlike most of our planets, it rotates from east to west. Its movement is so slow that it was originally thought to be a star. Another interesting fact about Uranus is that its magnetic field is tilted by 60 degrees. The magnetic poles of the planet are nowhere near close to its geographic poles. It has a much stronger magnetic field than that of Earth's. The magnetic shield of Uranus is constantly moving around, and therefore, it varies from time to time. This makes it quite unique, as no other planet does this. The icy blue planet is 20 times farther from the Sun than Earth. Scientists have deduced that Uranus was most likely born closer to the Sun, before moving away from it. Conducting more research on Uranus would help us understand the early stages of the formation of our solar system and Earth. Since Uranus has a strong tilt, it rotates sideways. This means that the orbits of its rings and moons are also structured sideways. This is something scientists are baffled by, as no other planet shows such a characteristic. We are not completely sure as to why the planet has such a strong tilt, but studying it will help us understand how these planets have come to be, and how they have evolved. Uranus is often overlooked, but a lot of scientists believe that exploring it will provide us with more insights into various other planets and exoplanets. Scientists are extremely intrigued by Uranus' atmosphere, amongst other things. Neptune is much farther away from the Sun than Uranus, so logically, it should be the coldest planet in our solar system. However, research has shown that Uranus is actually the coldest planet. It is much colder than Neptune, and the winters on Uranus last for 42 years. We still don't have a clear explanation as to why it is the coldest planet, but researchers believe it has to do with its axial tilt. Uranus also appears to have no internal heat source, which is present in pretty much all of the other planets. Scientists believe that this is probably another reason as to why the planet exhibits such cold and frigid temperatures. Now you may be wondering, if there are so many strange and puzzling characteristics of Uranus, why has it not been explored yet? Well, first of all, it would be a very challenging mission. The planet lies almost 3 billion kilometers away from the Sun, which means that it would take up to 15 years to even get there. This would make it a very expensive mission. Secondly, since Uranus is an ice giant, it doesn't exactly have a surface. So if we were to send a spacecraft, it would have no place to land since the surface is just liquid. The high temperatures and pressure present in this planet could also destroy the spacecraft. However, astrophysicists all around the world have been pushing for missions to Uranus. It is now considered as a top priority planetary mission for the next decade. NASA has plans of sending a flagship mission to this strange blue planet, in the hopes that we can collect data and research. Understanding its moons, magnetic field and all of its other features should help us pave the path in piecing together the formation of our universe. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like and share. Check out other cool videos on our channel. See you in the next video.